My big investors, how you doing? Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Welcome to Edwin Gizman Global Conglomerate. We just getting started, and we have a lot of shows to put up. We want you to understand that we are solidly behind you. We are with you all the way. Whatever it is that you need in plumbing, we have it in stock. We have it in stock. We may not be able to be showing you everything that we have right here, but we got you covered. Alright? We got you covered on every side. We have solid materials, plumbing and sales that you will have interest in. We have all sorts of WC, we have mini sinks, we have hanging toilets, we have different products. We have Proud, we have Eminent, we have Flyford, we have Sweet Home. Oh my God. We have Sweet Home. We have Toys product, one of the best products in the market. We have Nice Clothes, we have Evergreen. We have them covered, We are big distributors. We supply both locally and internationally. So we are people with customer-oriented products, customer-friendly products. When we first started, we were just like, this kind of business moved around this place. We discovered that people of this nature, people in this environment, they have taste. And that's why we're here. We love you and we want you to have the best of sanitary ware, the best of toiletries, whatsoever you need, whatever product, whatever level, choice product, Evergreen, all of them. We will supply you inside. My God. We just want you to know that we are not here just to run our mouth. We have all love to give to you. Just come to us. Rely on us. Believe in us. And by His special grace, we will do what is required. We will render you services as much as you want it. We sell products. That's our major base. But we also have professionals who will help you keep these products, fix them, install them in a proper shape so that they will not you will get value for your product and you will use it for long and enjoy. We love you. This is Edwin Gizman Global Conglomerate. Welcome once again. We got your cover.
You make it easy to choose. You got a million I can't refuse it. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen, cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity.
Edwin Gizman Global Conglomerate.